All right. This is Solomon Omini. Welcome back to my channel. I crave your indulgence to please subscribe to my channel so that when next I release a video, you get the notification. Please do subscribe to my channel so that when next I release a video, you will get the notification. All right. Today's video, we're going to look at how to download Token Pocket and set it up. Now, if you're using an Android phone, you head on to, Play Store. If you're using, another brand of phone that doesn't have Play Store, then you should have an App Store on that phone. Then you go to your App Store. Now here I'm using an Android, so I head on to Play Store. I tap on Play Store and it's loading. I click on the search down here. I click at the search apps and games, and then I'm going to be typing Token Pocket. So once you type it, it comes out Token Pocket app. You can click on it, and then here it has been installed. That's why it says open. But yours will have to tell you install here, and you have to click and install. And then once you click and install, it takes you to this interface where it tells you open. So I'm going to be opening it. I click on open. So as I click on open, it's loading. Yeah, so I'm going to be having this interface. You can see the interface I will be greeted with. So you'll be greeted with this interface. I have an account, no accounts. Create now. I have an account, import wallet, Keeper, multi-sig wallet. So if you already have an account, which you have your 12 recovery words saved somewhere, it's simple. You're just going to be clicking on I already have an account, and then they'll give you a space where you have to type those 12 recovery words, and then your account will be imported to the app automatically. Now, if you want to create a new account, that is what we are going to be using now. So you click on create new or create now. So you'll be greeted with this page. Very simple. So you have HD wallet, you have multi-sig wallet, you have Keeper hardware wallet, and then you have networks here: Bitcoin network, Ethereum network, BNB chain, Tron, Solana, Polygon, Ton, etc. If you scroll up, you see a lot of networks. So I'm going to be picking HD wallet, not multi-sig wallet, HD wallet. So I tap on HD wallet. So remember, we are creating a new wallet. I come here, set HD wallet name. I write my name. Maybe I can just say Solomon 1, because in future I might be creating another one. So I need to just say 1 here. In case I create another account, I say Solomon 2. Then I come here and I create my password. Then I come here and I repeat the password. All right, so after creating the password, I repeat it down here. You will see hint, that is optional. So you might forget about that. Then you accept the terms and conditions by clicking on this small circle where I'm marking. You click there. Now you click to agree, and then you click on create wallet. Now you see it takes me to this page, and then I'm going to read all and then click understood. It takes me to this page. If I lost my recovery phrase, my assets will be gone. If I share my recovery phrase to others, my assets will be stolen. It is my responsibility to keep the recovery phrase safe. Now, these are all a kind of, what do we call it? It's a kind of warning, which you must accept, that you take responsibility of this. So you check the 3 boxes by tapping on it, and then the generate mnemonic opens for you. So you click on generate mnemonic. Now this page is what you will see: handwritten backup, Keeper card backup. I am used to handwritten backup, that is copying it. So I'm just going to be holding. You click on this space and hold. And then it reveals the 12 recovery phrase. So you can now write them down somewhere. Now on this page that I am, it may be blank at your end because it's security. Yeah, so you quickly write down the 12 recovery phrase. I can see it at my end. And then once you write it all, you will see copy recovery phrase. You can click there and copy and paste it somewhere and then later write it in your saved diary. These words are very important. You're going to be depending on these words in case your phone is stolen or in case your phone is missing or whatever happens to your device, to be able to import this account into your new device is very, very important. So don't share it with friends. Keep it safe in your diary. You can only share it with your wife if you're married, or share it with your daughter or son if you have a child. Just ensure that it is kept secret and private. Thank you very much. So it's very important to adhere strictly to that warning. Now you move on after copying. You can paste it somewhere, but ensure that where you pasted it, after copying it, rewriting it to your diary, you delete it. Very important. And then you'll be greeted with a page down there which is written complete backup, verify it now. So you click on it. So when you click on it, it takes you to a page like this where you have to now select the words in the order with which you wrote them down in the former page. So I'm going to be selecting the words in the order with which I wrote them down in the former page. All right, so once you're done selecting them, you will see it appear like this, and then you click confirm. If your selection is all right, it will go through. If it's not all right, it will tell you you are wrong. You select again. So you can see my selection is all right. So I click confirm again. Then I go again and click confirm. So it takes me to this page. I can just click any of the blank spaces. I can just click again any of the blank spaces, or you can click understood. Then again, you can click any of the blank spaces, and then it takes you to this. So at this point, you have successfully created your token pocket. Now, here you have Bitcoin network. Down here, the one I'm marking, the next one is Ethereum network. You can see. The next one is BNB network. You can see. The next one is Tron network. The next one is Solana. The next one is Polygon. Then if you want to see other networks, you can click on plus. You can see it opens to the former page that it opened when we were to start creating the wallet. You can see all these are different networks. So you select the network of choice of what you want to do. So let's say we are working on Polygon. Maybe the project we are working on, or what you want to use it to do, is Polygon network you are interested in. You can just simply come here and select Polygon. And then once you select Polygon, you can create a new wallet for Polygon. All right, so but here already we have the Bitcoin selected. So if you want Polygon, you can still select it here, Polygon, and then you click on it, and then it takes you to this. You can see pool. You can see coins already added by default. So you want to add other coins to these coins already added by default. Ensure that you know, or just ensure you know that all the coins that are listed here are under Polygon network, because the network we selected is Polygon. Very important. So you come here and then you're going to be seeing plus. Under this plus now, you can add your DAI, you can add other things. Now, this video is just to help you set it up and download and set it up. So I think we are done for now. I'm going to be doing the next video that I will walk you through the token pocket to see how, the interface and all the things you will want to do in the token pocket works. I'll walk you through. So that this video doesn't become too long, let's stop it here. We have been able to download token pocket. We have been able to save our 12 recovery words, back it up, and then set it up, and it is now running. The next video you are going to be expecting from me will teach you on how to romance the token pocket app and know what to do and how to use it. Thank you so much, guys. See you at the top. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Solomon Omini always loves you. Bye.